New video shows the moments a driver ran a red light in North Seattle, sideswiping a car and then flipping a van before crashing into 3 other cars. You see the damage here again. This happened about 1:30 this afternoon at Aurora and 130th. First responders treated multiple people, including a 6-year-old child. Officers say the driver was having a mental health crisis at the time.
Sad story. Says the person's having a mental health crisis. I don't know what that means exactly in this case, but whoever was in that car seat of the white van deserves justice for what happened to them. I mean, their car is completely wrecked. It was flipped. It was tossed. That person's lucky if they can walk again. They definitely going to have pain the rest of their life through no fault of their own. That's what we as personal injury lawyers do, is we try to obtain monetary justice. I'm not a criminal lawyer. I'm not a prosecutor. I can't force the government to prosecute people. All we can do is help people get some form of financial compensation. I mean, just like from a criminal perspective, if the woman is a first-time person and she just had a bad day, her husband broke up with her, she lost her job, someone close to her, it's different than if somebody has a history of mental health problems, where they have an opportunity to take away their license. Yeah, an insurance company could try to deny this claim as well, just because they could say that it was a health issue. If somebody's driving and they all of a sudden have a seizure for the first time in their life and they lose control of the car and they kill somebody, financially, they won't be responsible because there's nothing they could have done to avoid that accident. They weren't negligent. However, if that person has a history of having seizures and then they get behind the wheel and they kill somebody, they could be financially liable because they knew that they shouldn't be driving. Even if they're taking medicine to control their seizures, doesn't mean they'll never have another seizure, right? So I don't know this person's particular history with mental health, but sad to say, but these people are going to have injuries for the rest of their life.